Hello, it is Thursday, the 12th of March. I am in the studio in the morning for a change, so that's good. This morning I am going to work a little bit on my wild dog portrait. I didn't actually manage to get anything done last night. I did a load of... I actually don't know what I did yesterday in the end. I did write out a list of like adult life stuff that I need to do. Super fun, super boring. And what else did I do? I just kind of sat here and ate. I haven't really been like eating proper meals, like 3 proper meals for the past week. I did yesterday, and then for the evening I decided that I was going to have some snacks, and I was just going to sit on Skype with my friends and, you know, watch some YouTube stuff. So that's what we did. Yeah, so I didn't actually end up like doing very much work. I just did some post, which I need to go and post today at some point. Not sure when, because I was going to go this morning because it was really nice and sunny. It still is sunny, as you can tell, like the sun beaming in, but it looks like it's going to be coming over a little bit overcast and it might rain. And I don't want to have to drive to the post box because I have my child, so I don't want to take him out in the rain if it's not entirely necessary, and I don't want to have to just drive around the corner. So I might take a trip out later, maybe, just to make the trip worthwhile. I need to see if they have any floor cleaner in my local home base, because I use the Method one. If any of you are familiar with Method products, they are absolutely amazing. I want to see if they have some of the rhubarb scented floor cleaner, because that's the only place that does it around here apart from Amazon, and I don't want to have to Amazon it. So I might go and see if they have some of that, and just see if there's anything like home bits that I could buy, possibly, I don't know, and then pop to the post box on the way back or on the way there. But it means going out, and I'm not really a fan of going out when it's like really windy and really rainy, so I'll see how the weather is is the answer to all of this. So today, yeah, I'm just going to work on my wild dog piece. So I'm just going to pop it out. It's exactly the same as what I showed in the end of the last studio vlog. Thank you for your comments on that, by the way. Really, really supportive, really, really lovely comments. We're slowly getting back to normal, so it should be good, should be back on schedule. I need to record a voiceover for my YouTube video for the tutorial for tomorrow. I need to do that at some point. I don't want to do it whilst my child is awake though, because he interrupts and then I have to stop, and then it just means a whole load of editing on my end, and I don't want to have to edit like so much. So I need to do that at some point as well. But yeah, basically just a chill day, just spending a little bit of time drawing, sorting out some more posts and that kind of stuff. So I'll show you guys some bits of what I'm going to do, and I might bring you along for the post ride depending on how I get to the post box. Well, it didn't take long for it to rain, so I'm going to be making a trip to home base, I think, and popping my post into the post box. Look how disgusting it is. When will it stop raining? Hello, it is Thursday, the 19th of March, and unfortunately I have another cold. It's not anything virusy or anything like that, it is a plain cold, and yeah. Again, I think it's another stress-induced cold, because I've just been the past week and weekend, and with everything this week, it's been a little bit stressful, let's be honest, people. And when you're stressed, your immune system is a little bit suppressed, so yes, yet again, another frigging cold. Yeah, it's not so bad, it's just the fact that I'm stuffy. I've tried to avoid having the heating on because that's made it worse. So I got like no heating, been trying to keep the fresh air coming in and drinking plenty of fluids, and yeah, good. I can't remember when it was that I recorded the last day, but I think I recorded something last week maybe. If not, then this is going to be a super short studio vlog because I'm literally going to record this now and then edit and upload it, but I just need to get something uploaded to keep a regular schedule now. So I do have a few things that I need to update you guys on. So the first thing is, obviously I finished my wild dog. Did I show that in a studio vlog? I'm going to show it now quickly anyway. Wow, that was a scary face. So there's the finished wild dog. Really pleased with this. I cannot believe how nicely this turned out, and I was so pleased that I actually decided to do this as a personal project and not a tutorial, so that's great. So there's that one. He is an 8 by 10 inch piece, so it's quite small. It's not like large and massive, but yeah, he is up on my website for sale, or will be if anybody would like to purchase him. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Also, what I'm going to pop up for pre-purchase is this one, which I started, which I know I haven't shown because I started this the other day. This is my links drawing. So I put a poll on Instagram when I was deciding whether to do the painted dogs or not. It was between painted dogs and links, and the links actually did win, but I decided to do the painted dogs anyway. But I did another poll between a lynx and a fossa, and the lynx one again. So started this guy. You see I've got some nice orange, or one orange eye in already, nice outline as well. So those are the two pieces that I currently have. They are both available on the website for purchase. Obviously the links I haven't finished yet, so when it is finished it will be sent off if it's purchased, but the painted dog, obviously that's finished and ready to go. Another one that I have listed onto my website are the wolves. Oh, there you go. The wolves, which are there because I have some exciting news regarding the David Shepherd Wildlife Artist of the Year competition, which I entered. So the deadline was the 6th or the 10th of February, and I entered 2 pieces. I entered these wolves, and I also entered my field mouse from last year, and I got an email confirming that the field mouse has been accepted, and the wolves obviously didn't get shortlisted. So the mouse I need to buy a frame for, ready, potentially, hopefully, fingers crossed, if all this virus stuff is kind of done and gone by then, I can go to the gallery and the exhibition and meet a few other artists that I know that have been shortlisted as well. So I'm really excited about that, and I'm really pleased and kind of humbled that at least one of my pieces got shortlisted. I'm disappointed that it's not the wolves, because I did actually do that piece specifically for this competition, but one of my pieces got shortlisted and I'm okay with that. And the Harvest Mouse, Field Mouse, whatever it is a nice piece. I really am proud of that one as well, so that's good. So that's a little bit of news that I have to update for you guys. Not much else has gone on. I don't really want to talk about like this virus stuff because nothing really has changed here for me. I'm an introvert, I work from home, so nothing is going to really change if I have to like self-isolate or anything. James is still going to nursery, that's still open. The one around here is like classed as the early years. And doesn't fall under the category of like the school and nursery closure or something, so they're staying open. So James is gonna keep happy and keep learning and keep growing, and then I can hopefully continue to keep growing my business during this very difficult time. I do want to say thank you though to you guys, for I have had a lot of orders the last couple of days despite what's been going on, card orders, and I just want to thank you guys for those orders, because I know some of them have come from YouTube. So thank you so much for placing orders for cards. I have got them sent off as soon as possible, and also thank you to anybody that has kind of just looked at my shop, looked at any social media and given it a like or anything like that. You're really helping at this time, because I've had a lot of cancellations for tutorial subscriptions, which I kind of anticipated because it's not like a needed expense. But I also have had like people sign up for 6 months, and I'm thinking, oh, I've had a few emails saying that people are like, this is the perfect time, we're going to be self-isolated, we're going to be indoors, we're going to be introverts, so they are going to draw and going to learn a new hobby. So I've had a few tutorial subscriptions, but I have had a lot of cancellations, so I was a little bit worried about like what's going to happen there. But I've still got patrons, there's still people signing up to Patreon, so if you yourself are going to self-isolate and you want to learn how to draw realistically, or you want to give it a go and you just want something to do to pass the time, then now's the perfect time, basically. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for anybody that does sign up within like in the next couple of months. Anybody that does, I just want to give you my gratitude. Thank you so much for supporting me during this time, because I know you don't really have to. And to anybody that has made a purchase or is going to make a purchase, thank you so much as well, because without you guys I wouldn't be able to live and I wouldn't be able to pay my mortgage, which, you know, adult issues, you have to kind of worry about these things. So especially with things that are going on in my personal life at the moment as well, because now it's just me and James. So yeah, sorry. Tissue, runny nose. I swear I'm not infectious. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to update you guys on. Hopefully I have another clip to go in front of this. If not, then this is just going to be it, and I apologise, but I'll work on filming some stuff. With regards to the rest of today, I'm literally just going to work on my links piece, because I don't want to record a tutorial whilst I have a cold and I'm stuffy, because I find it difficult to talk. So I'm going to finish off, or try and do a fair amount on my links drawing, and just dabble a bit online and just add a few products and stuff to Etsy and to my online shop. So I really hope that you guys keep well and keep safe in these difficult times, and I will record some more footage tomorrow because I have a whole day of doing stuff tomorrow, so hopefully I can get some good footage for you, and then I'll see you guys next week. Bye.